Welcome to our screencast tutorial on how to install the Tail OS, a privacy-focused operating system designed to keep your online activities secure and anonymous. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of installing Tail OS on a USB drive. Let's get started. The first thing you will need is a USB drive with at least 8 GB of storage. Open your web browser and navigate to official Tails website at tails.boum.org. On the Tails website, click on the Download and Install button to begin the installation process. Choose the option that matches your operating system. Tails OS is compatible with both Windows and Mac OS. Once the download is complete, insert your USB drive into your computer. Please note that all data on the USB drive will be erased, so make sure to back up any important files. You will need to format the USB drive as Tails OS installer is recommending. Follow the instruction provided by the Tails website for your specific operating system. Now open the Tails installer and select the appropriate installation medium, in this case your USB drive. The installation process will begin. Once the installation is complete, you will receive confirmation message your Tails OS is now installed on the USB drive. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Tails OS on a USB drive. Now, whenever you want to use Tails OS, simply insert the USB drive into your computer and boot from it. Tails OS is designed to leave no traces on the computer you are using it on. It routes your traffic through the Tor network, enhancing your privacy and security. Remember, if you want to explore hidden services on the dark web, check out the hiddenwiki2023.com. It's the ultimate directory to find a wide range of hidden services that prioritize security and privacy. It categorizes them into different sections for easy navigation. Thank you for joining our tutorial on how to install TailOS. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please consider liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more privacy and security related content. Stay safe and enjoy the enhanced anonymity that TailsOS provides.